How's it going, everyone? I've got a little mixing video here. I'm going to be mixing up Thistle Bonding 60. This is made by British Gypsum, not sponsored, just my bonding that I go to when I fill anything that's quite deep. If you're interested, there's the measurements on the back of the bag. Says 25 kilos to 14 litres. If you was mixing this whole bag up at once, it's a 25 kilo bag. You can mix it up with a paddle, like a whisker paddle, or I'm going to mix it up by hand just to show you how easy it is. So let's crack on and get it knocked up. Like and subscribe, that helps me out big time. Cheers guys, let's crack on with it. Right, so I've got a bucket here. I've chucked about an inch or so of water in the bottom, maybe a touch over. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the bonding to the water. It's always best to be adding powders to water majority of the time. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to add some bonding in, and I'm going to mix it up by hand as I go to get it to the consistency I want. It mixes up really easy, this stuff. You want to make sure there's no lumps in it at the end, so just get it started. Add a little bit more bonding. You'll be careful when you're adding more, because it can go from being you know, too wet to past where you want it, too firm quite quick, just with a handful or two or a scoop or two. So at the minute that's still too runny, so I'm just going to knock out any lumps as it is and then add some more powder. So it's easier to knock it up with a paddle, but it really isn't that hard to mix up by hand. To make sure there's no lumps in it, get the edges of the bucket so you don't get dry bits on the edges when you're using it. But it's quite a rough product, so rough as in it's good quality. I don't mean rough as in poor quality, I mean rough as in it's quite coarse. You can see it's like it's not like a super smooth, it's not like fine filler. I'll be putting filler over the top of this. This is to do the thick fill on my chases first, or my deep holes. So it does really mix up quite easy, unlike filler where you can get lumps and they're quite hard to get out. This is a bit different. It mixes up quite a bit easier than filler or plaster. You can follow the guidance on the bag to the ratios of water to powder. I hope that helps you out, and I'll catch you in the next one.